What is evaporation? Evaporation is a type of vaporization that occurs on the surface of a liquid as it changes into the gas phase. The surrounding gas must not be saturated with the evaporating substance. When the molecules of the liquid collide, they transfer energy to each other based on how they collide with each other. When a molecule near the surface absorbs enough energy to overcome the vapor pressure, it will escape and enter the surrounding air as a gas. When evaporation occurs, the energy removed from the vaporized liquid will reduce the temperature of the liquid, resulting in a evaporative cooling. So this is the sample of the evaporation. This aerosol of microscopic water droplets suspended in the air above a hot cup of tea. After that, water vapor has sufficiently cooled and condensed. So what is water vapor? Means water vapor is an invisible gas, but the clouds of condensed water droplets refract and disperse the sunlight and so are visible. And the next picture is the demonstration of evaporative cooling. When the sensor is dipped in ethanol and then taken out to evaporate, the instrument shows progressively lower temperature as the ethanol evaporates. The next is theory. For molecules of a liquid to evaporate, they must be located near the surface. They have to be moving in the proper direction and have sufficient kinetic energy to overcome liquid phase intermolecular forces. So, these liquids are evaporating. It is just that the process is much slower and thus significantly less visible. So this is the evaporative equilibrium. As we look like the equilibrium, vapor pressure of water versus the temperature. If evaporation takes place in an enclosed area, the escaping molecules accumulate as a vapor above the liquid. Many of the molecules return to the liquid, with returning molecules becoming more frequent as the density and pressure of the vapor increases when the process of escape and return reaches an equilibrium. So, for a system consisting of a vapor and liquid of a pure substance, this equilibrium state is directly related to the vapor pressure of the substance, as given by this system, Clausius-Clapeyron relation, where P1 and P2 are the vapor pressures. At temperature T1 and T2 respectively, angle H vap is the enthalpy of vaporization, and R is the universal gas constant. The rate of evaporation in an open system is related to the vapor pressure found in a closed system. So, the ability for a molecule of a liquid to evaporate is based largely on the amount of kinetic energy an individual particle may possess even at lower temperatures. Individual molecules of a liquid can evaporate if they have more than the minimum amount of kinetic energy required for vaporization. So these are the factors influencing the rate of evaporation. Number 1 is concentration. The next, pressure, surface area, and temperature. Concentration of the substance evaporating in the air. If the air already has a high concentration of the substance evaporating, then the given substance will evaporate more slowly. The next is the pressure. The pressure happens faster if the evaporation is less exertion on the surface, keeping the molecules from launching themselves. And surface area. A substance that has a larger surface area will evaporate faster, as there are more surface molecules per unit of volume that are potentially able to escape. And the last one is the temperature. Temperature of the substance. The higher the temperature of the substance, the greater the kinetic energy of the molecules at its surface, and therefore the faster the rate of their evaporation. And that's all.